Question of the day. Maggie, I have found my dream home, but on the listing, the sellers say they are only wanting to do lender-required repairs. Maggie, what is the most common lender-required repair? The most common lender-required repair in our area is peeling exterior paint. Depending on the age of the home, if it's older than 1978, the lender is going to think that potentially there's lead-based paint there. They don't want any exposure there because they consider it a safety issue. Otherwise, they still don't like peeling paint because it makes it so the siding of the exterior of the home is not protected.